I got some stains on this seat, so I might have to get a cleaner, one of those fax things on it. I think I know where I can get one of them. Courtesy of Chris at Beatty Tailing. Right, all clean, plus in the interior, some kind watcher found me one of these. Not fitted properly, but it'll do.